Hi everybody, this is Susan. I just went to Dollar Tree and wanted to show you the things I got, and I got enough to make a video. So this here is file folders. You know, I like to keep things organized when I'm printables, especially printables, and you know, your design ideas and pictures and things that you might put through the printer. This is just a good idea. So you get 8 file folders. It used to be 10, but you know, shrinkflation, it's $1.25. So at least that's still at $1.25. So that was good. And then they have these, which these run out pretty fast. This is the 2 parts of the longer drying, have to sit out and dry. This is the A and this is the B. And the funny thing is they really don't give you much directions on here. It just says that it's not included, you know, that you have to buy each part. But maybe it's further on the instructions. But they're little bottles. They're, let's see, 1 fluid ounce each. So it's enough. And I have tried the hardener. I used too much hardener in my stuff I'd gotten from Temu, so I bought the hardener and tried to, you know, make up the difference. Okay, these are deco art paints, which actually, if I bought this at the craft store, it might actually be cheaper. I didn't think about that, but you know, I was happy to see them. I have been using this silver, and it is thick enough, and it's a good metallic, thick silver. So I got the gold to try it. And I just, like I said, I get deco art from Hobby Lobby, so it might not be a savings because this is probably $1.50. So they also had some other types. I've got it all in bags, so I'll have to get to it. Okay, so this is baby oil, and I need this to put into my clays, my polymer clays. I have so many old polymer clays. I mean, I'm talking really old, like 25 years. The other night, I was working on one that's, no kidding, at least 20 years old, and it was pretty hard, not rock hard, because rock hard would mean it was cooked, but in Texas weather, it's cooked, you know, because it gets into over 100, and it was sitting in without climate control. So you can rejuvenate, you know, your old clays, because I actually got this clay. Let me show you my next project. I'm using it. It was for dolls, and look at that. It's smooth again. Now, I did have to cut it up into little pieces, and I had to put the baby oil, well, I think it's baby oil that they're using in the thinner that I bought from Sculpey, but I'm going to try the baby oil. And I used to use Vaseline to soften up my clays, so I think baby oil would be even easier. But look how smooth it is. And it was really, really hard, and when I started breaking it up, it just crumbled. So you just put it through. I put baby oil on it for a few days. You know, I break it up real small. You could put it through a shredder if you wanted, but you'd have to clean the shredder really good. And then put the baby oil on it, and then start kneading it, and it'll be right back to smooth. Just over time, it's lost all the moisture in it. So that's the next project. Okay, so this cute little thing, I've noticed, you know, I've been wanting to take, you know, some tools with me, like to the other room, and I was using plastic containers, but they're bigger. So I was thinking this might be the thing, you know, because you can stand things up in it. So it's not real big, and so I can take it to the bed, or I can take it to the couch or whatever. So this, these are those spongy brushes. And I used this when I was doing the Castle Room box. And I found it does give a really interesting technique. If you do the one color and then you sponge at the second color, it kind of gets like a cloudy look, like if you were making clouds. So these are a good thing to make a background. And especially in old world, you know, kind of anything you need old world or make it look like water or sky or anything. So I thought I'd try that. This is a super glue, and it looks like the Loctite kind of container. So I thought I would try this. Just, you know, you push it in. Again, that Loctite has a third more glue in it after you run out. So I suspect because this is going to push from the bottom, that what it does is it sends all the glue up to the top of the little tube of glue. And then you have to take this apart, and then you end up having a third more glue in it, if not a half. Quite a bit of glue. So you don't want to throw it away without checking it out. Okay, so these are warm white LED. And you notice that it was 10. It's strange. It was 10 lights. Then I found 30 lights over where the light bulbs are at Dollar Tree. And now I found this that's a garden. The garden stuff is coming in, and these are 15. So it's just the battery pack. So they just can't make up their mind, you know, between the pricing and you know, the markup to mark it down, whatever. I don't know what they're... Okay, so there was 3 versions of this. And it's funny because at Michael's, I was looking at their new resin minis. And they had a door. It did have a hinge, and it opened and closed. But it was a little bit shorter than this, but I was going to buy it. And then I looked at the price on their sale of 40 off. It was still going to be like $9. Crazy. Okay, this one doesn't have hinges, but I can live with $1.50. I think it was $1.50. Could be $1.25, but most of the stuff has gone up to $1.50 in crafts. I can live with that. Way cheaper. And there was 3 designs. They were all very cute. So I'm going to take clay and kind of build down. And this, you know, goes in a bowl with your plants, or you can make a diorama from it. You can do whatever you want. So I thought I would like kind of build down and make like a secret garden. So you can make the gnome land with the gnome houses. You can do anything with these. They're so sweet and cute and way cheaper than Michael's. Way cheaper. Okay, so I also found they have navy blue and they have this beige. And when you're making miniatures, this ribbon goes a long way. Even though it's, you know, not, it's like a inch and a half or a little over an inch and a half. It still will go far in making baskets. Besides, you know, making your wreaths with the ribbons. I really like these for the wreaths, and I like the ones with polka dots. But this is a new color, this off-white, and navy. They had navy. And so I bought the roll of navy a while back. Okay, so this is energy food. Whoops. Energy food. Peanuts. That's how I justify it. I don't know about you. But M&M's and Paydays have protein because it has nuts in it. And that's going right into caddy. Okay. Okay, they have been out of stock with this size for a while. At least all the stores I've been to. They've only had this size. So these are back in stock. The little ones. And I want to try those the Temu molds where you put the super glue in it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try that. But you know, you can use these little sticks for, you know, cut sections and use them for, even the big ones, use them for containers. You know, cut the stick itself into like a little container, little bottle. I'm just going to play around with them. But I have been waiting and waiting and looking at every store I went into for the small ones. That's going in the caddy. Okay, so here is the other thing. They have outdoor paints. So it says satin acrylic paint. And I suppose it's got a sheen because it's satin. And it says outdoor, but it's acrylic, so that would be water-based. So they're saying outdoor. And it had all different colors, all kinds of colors. They even had glitter in the paints. But not my thing. But I'm thinking that this is a water-based, but it's going to stay on better. I'm not really sure. So I thought I would try it because at this time of the year I'm doing chocolate. So I bought this brown because it looks like dark chocolate. And it has the satin. So, chocolate has like a satiny kind of finish. And I put Mod Podge in it to make it have a satiny finish. So I thought I'd try theirs. And I guess the outdoors is saying that you can put it on pots and it's supposed to stay there. Okay, so these are a little bit bigger than the gnomes. Michael's gnomes were like small. They were about this big. No, maybe it was Hobby Lobby. I don't know what size the Michael's ones. But these were, again, $1.50 for 2 of them. And he would go with that door, to be arranging, doing something with the flowers. So I thought I'd see about that. Okay, there was 3 different styles of these. There was one that had a heart in it, and these are silicone molds. And I don't know that, I couldn't think. First I was going to get the heart, but then I started thinking, would I really use them? I don't know. But these rectangle squares and the oval, there's a small oval and there's a bigger oval. And I was wondering if you put the small one inside the big one and you just put the resin around the outer edge, if you'd end up with a frame. The same thing, like if this was small inside of this, if you could, I don't know if you could contain it. That's the only thing is, could you contain the resin? It wouldn't seep up underneath the smaller one inside of it. Then that would make like a mirror. I don't know, but it's something to try. And they did have 3 different styles of these. Now, I suppose people are using these for jewelry. And maybe they're making jewelry pieces, earrings, pendants. I don't know, but that's my guess. Okay, this was a kind of a nifty organizer for the miniature things. It looks like it has a bit of a slope, which is always important when you're putting any kind of little beads or anything. You could put food in here because, you're pulling it out, so you get that slope to kind of help, grip it and slide it out. So this I was happy to see. I don't know if it's been there and I just didn't notice it before. But that's a good thing. That slope. Okay, so I wanted to finish my fencing, so I needed more of the regular popsicle sticks. And then they have a size up from this as well. But that's pretty good. 100 pieces for $1.50. Not a bad thing. And I did get this. And I think this is a bigger size. I always get these every year. These go under my plants. And you get 3 of them. I've got several here, but you get 3 in this size, which is about, oh gosh, I don't know if it's from lip to lip, it's probably 12 inches. And this one is a bigger one. I'm not sure if this was a new thing this year, the bigger, because I always use pie tins and they're never big enough for the bigger plants that I put my tomatoes in, the bigger containers. So these are only 2. You only get 2. So it's kind of expensive using these because they do disintegrate in the heat. But I don't have anything else that's... The hard plastic was $5. Those ones, and they have the little wheels on them. And I'm always afraid they're going to leak out water. But I don't know. Especially when I take stuff inside for the freezes. I don't want it to leak anything. So I got these, hoping that'll work. And if you shop Dollar Tree, you know that they've got all of these. I thought they were 4-pack, 4 of these for $1. Maybe it was 3 for $1.25. Now they're $1.50. And I think everything in the store is going to $1.50. And so I have a lot of luck with these. So I bought, well, I thought I had 4, but I do have a lot of luck with these green beans, and until it gets too hot to, up in the 90s. And then definitely by, 95 on up, then, yeah, here's the other one. Then there's just not any, they're not going to grow because the water, just watering them isn't enough. Okay, so this is the last thing. I did get 2 packs of these glue sticks. These have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big pieces. These are long. And there's 5. Okay, these little cups, they call them shot cups, but these are just what we need for mixing resin, especially that 2-part that they sell there. You have to mix it in something little like this. So there's 24 of these, and I imagine it was $1. And the party section, I'm not sure if it's gone up or if it's still at $1.25. You'll have to check. But so that's a lot. 24 will last me a long time. The last time I found these kind of little cups like this was at Wendy's for ketchup. They still use these tiny little cups, and so I snagged a bunch. Kind of called it tax or tariff, whatever you want to call it, on Wendy's. I helped myself to a little row of them. And so this is good to find these. So anyway, that's all I have. They do have my next project is going to have the caulk for the topping. And I get the caulk at Dollar Tree, and they have it in the tube, and they have it in the gun. So if you take it from the gun, because you can't, even the tube, you can't really squeeze it onto a miniature. Really, really isn't a good idea. You don't have any control. So I take it and I put it in these bags, and then I put these popsicle sticks across the top and band them. So you might want to try this caulk, because if you want to do sweets, this is really great to try on the top of sweets. Your polymer clay sweets that you might be doing for Valentine's or Easter. That caulk is really good. Okay, so that's all I have for now. You can get glue. They have wood glue over there in the paint brushes, and over by where they have like ear pods and light bulbs and things, and there's some automotive, and there's clamps. You can get clamps. And so the wood glue's over there, and then the craft glue is Aleene's Tacky Glue. They have that, and they have Mod Podge, both gloss and matte, over in the crafts. So that's a good thing. And then they also have this 3D fabric paint that, if you don't want to use this as your for your frosting, you can try this. This is thicker. And I use this for snow. So anything you're doing with snow, I use the 3D paint that they have there. And then they have a bunch of colors. If you're making cookies or something, they have yellow, green, and different color, red, different colors. Okay, bye-bye. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.